Have you ever wondered, what if time stopped every time you sneezed? Birds mid-air, teachers mid-sentence frozen like statues. You could doodle on paintings just for fun. Birthday cake, gone in one big bite. Ever ice skated on a fountain? Now you can. But when time unfreezes, surprise, where'd the cake go? Would you sneeze on purpose, or hold it in? Comment below, and subscribe.